Hello everyone, the topic for today is how to use the cd command in Linux. Now we are not going to just cover the most common format which is cd space dot dot, but we are also going to talk about cd hyphen and cd tilde. So do watch the video till the end so that you do not miss on any of the use of cd command. Now why we use the cd command? The cd command stands for change directory. So as it is clear from the name, with this command, we will be able to change between directories. Now, what is the syntax to use the cd command? It's pretty simple. You write cd space and then you write the path of the directory to which you want to shift. So now let us see how we can use it. Now ls shows me the list of the current directories and files. Now my current working directory is /home/Baljeet. Now let us suppose that I want to shift to a D1 directory, then what I can write cd space D1. You can see that the command prompt has also changed and it reflects the current directory. Anyhow, we can always use pwd and now the current directory is changed to /home/Baljeet and D1. Another example, now let us shift to directory D2 which was in the /home/Baljeet directory. So I can write cd space /home/Baljeet and /D2. So you need to write the entire path where you want to shift. pwd and now this is my current working directory. Now next we are going to see what are the different methods to use the cd command. So the first method is, what if you don't specify any path? For example, if you just write cd, that's it. Now what is going to happen? So you are going to shift to the home directory. So coming back from where we left, so the current working directory is /home/Baljeet/D2. If I simply write cd and press enter, it will shift to the home directory. It doesn't matter where you are. Okay, so let me just take another example here. If I change my directory to D2 and there's another directory here, so I change again to D2 D1. Now pwd, this is my current path. You can see home Baljeet D2 D2 D1. If I simply write cd, I'm going to go back to the home directory. Okay, the second method to use cd is shift to the parent directory. This is one of the most commonly used method of using the cd command. So what we write cd space dot dot. Dot dot means the parent directory. So once you write cd and instead of path you write dot dot, this means you're going to shift to the parent directory of the current working directory. So wherever you are, it is going to take you one level up. Now let us suppose that now current working directory is /home/Baljeet. If I write cd space dot dot, the parent directory of Baljeet is home. So now I have changed to /home. If I again write cd space dot dot, now it goes into the parent directory of home, which is the root. So remember, cd space dot dot is going to take you to the parent directory. The third use is shift to home directory. So we have already seen one method of shifting to home directory. Another method is cd space tilde sign. So it is also going to achieve the same result as was using cd alone. So now the current working directory is home. If I write cd space tilde sign, it will change back to the home directory, which is /home/Baljeet. Always remember that tilde is the sign for the home directory for the user. So specifying tilde instead of the path shifts you to the home directory of the user. Now the fourth way is to change to the most recent directory. So you need to use cd space hyphen sign. This is going to take you back to the most recent directory. So sometimes it may happen that you have changed the directory and you forgot from where you shifted. So now with using cd space minus sign, you will move back to the most recent directory. So let's see how it works. Now my current working directory is this home Baljeet D2 D2 D1. Okay, so after some time, let us suppose I shift to some other directory. Let us suppose this one. This is the current working directory D1. Now after some time, after working for a little while, I don't remember what was the directory from where I shifted to D1. Okay, so what you can do, simply write cd minus, and now you will change back to slash home slash Baljeet slash d2 slash d2 d1, from where we shifted to the d1 directory. Okay, again if you write cd hyphen, you will shift back to the d1 directory. Okay, so cd minus is going to take you back to the recent directory from where you have shifted to the current working directory. Now let us test ourselves by answering a few questions. The first question is, what will happen if you use the command cd space dot? So the answer is pretty simple. It will keep you in the current directory itself. Why? Because dot refers to the current working directory. So cd space dot means shift to the current working directory, hence your working directory will not change. The second question is, what will happen with the command cd space dot dot slash dot dot? So try it out, find what has happened, and do share your answer in the comment section. So that was all from my side for today. For any further reading on cd command, do visit this link. Keep watching and keep sharing DexTutor. See you next time. Take care.